Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to place for discovering the best products out there. Today, we're diving into one of the finest coffees on the market, Café Britt Costa Rican Dark Roast Coffee. If you're a coffee lover searching for the perfect blend, this could very well be the one that stands out among the rest. Café Britt is a brand that prides itself on sourcing beans from the lush, volcanic soils of Costa Rica. The result? A rich and complex coffee that brings out the finest flavors of the region. This 12 ounces, free pack of whole beans is made from 100% Arabica coffee, known for its smooth, aromatic qualities, and balanced flavor profile. The coffee is dark roasted, a process that enhances the tantalizing notes of chocolate and dried fruit, giving each cup a unique complexity and depth. The beans are carefully selected and roasted in Costa Rica, ensuring freshness and a premium experience in every sip. What sets this coffee apart is its combination of sweeter, more acidic beans with dense, full-bodied ones, all expertly blended by Café Britt's master cupper. The result is a perfectly balanced cup of coffee that is not too bitter, not too strong, just the right touch of richness. Not only does Café Britt deliver an exceptional taste, but it also takes care in the details. This coffee is kosher, gluten-free, and made from premium gourmet beans. It's perfect for those who want a high-quality coffee experience from a brand with a history of passion and craftsmanship, dating back to 1985. Whether you're starting your day or enjoying a quiet afternoon, this Costa Rican dark roast is a treat you'll want to savor. And with the freshness that comes from coffee roasted directly in the country of origin, each cup is as authentic as it gets. So, if you're looking for a coffee that elevates your mornings and gives you that rich, indulgent flavor, Café Britt Costa Rican Dark Roast Coffee is the best choice for you. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest product reviews. Happy brewing!